So in our other video from our problem with the pigs, hopefully you started at the number 65, counting on with the hundreds chart as you touch the pigs to get your final answer. In your journals, even if you didn't get this answer, I'd like you to practice writing the numerals 1, 0, and 8. Your final answer should have been 108 pigs. This is how to write that numeral. Now on your own, since the lesson is over, I would like you to look at the images of the next two problems that I have posted under this link on our content for you to practice counting on in your journals. You can stay on the same page that you're at. You're going to see two problems to try on your own. You have a problem using tomato soup cans, and you also have a problem using loaves of bread. As you read the problem, ask yourself what it's wanting you to do, and then as you count on, touch the pictures. I will also provide you with an image of a hundreds or 120 chart that you may use to find your answer. When you have both of your answers, record them in your journal, and we will follow up with you tomorrow. Happy learning!